All right, we've got a 2007 Western Star glider kit here. It's got a Cat 3406. I believe it has the 6NZ. Got a APU here. Goodyear tires, lots of tread here. Tires all really good. Bought this truck from a friend of mine who owns a cabbage company. They had about 30 of these and they were selling all of them. They built them from the frame up. This truck has 1.1 million miles, 120,000 miles since end frame. I have the records for everything ever done to it since they built it in 2007. There are dates on just about every part on this truck showing you when they were replaced last, and real pretty green color. You guys would not believe how clean this truck is. I bought this truck because this company has the reputation of having the best maintained fleet of any trucking company. It's really a farming company, not a trucking company. Here's the Cat 3406. If you look here, you got the dates on your parts, when they were last replaced. It's got a new turbo. Lots of new stuff, folks. This is one clean truck. Look at that turbo, guys. That is clean stuff. 120,000 miles on the truck since end frame. I have check out these lights, green tanks, tank wraps are looking good, Goodyear tires on the front. Check out the inside of this truck, guys. You're not going to believe how clean it is. Lots on the dash here, guys. Look at all those switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, however you want to count those, guys. Over 20 switches. Got an XM radio, nice CB, nice stereo. We got our Rigmaster controls here, and I got a light in here somewhere. Hold on. Really clean sleeper berth. And it's negotiable as to whether or not you want the APU, excuse me. I'm also a computer guy. CPU is another term. Check out how clean this truck is, guys. They did a good job when they built this truck. I'm gonna turn on a flashlight here. Nice clean truck. Very clean. I'm asking $42,000 for this truck because I have the records for everything, and I paid extra for this truck because it's only got 100,000 miles since end frame. It runs and rolls perfect. I'm gonna start it up for you, let you hear it. Alright guys, 2007 Western Star glider kit. Best maintained 10-year-old truck I've ever seen. And the company that made these, the cabbage company is called Holler and Green in Boone, North Carolina. And ask anybody in Boone, North Carolina about Holler and Green. They'll tell you it's the best maintained fleet of trucks of anybody they've ever seen. I know all the mechanics that work there, and they take care of each one of these trucks like they're each one of their personal vehicles. Give me a shout. My name's Adam. Number is 828-773-0633. 828-773-0633.